Hello family, welcome to our channel. We are very excited to have you here with us. Go ahead and press subscribe, like our video, and share it with all of your friends. Today we have a special guest, and our guest is called Hoover Power Dry Bagless Multi-Floor Upright Vacuum Cleaner with swivel steering for pet hair. This vacuum cleaner has swivel steering. This upright vacuum cleaner effortlessly maneuvers around furniture and into tight spaces with ease. It has an advanced Acture brush roll, engineered to tackle deep down embedded dirt and reduced hair wrap. It's a multi-floor cleaning. Turn the brush roll on for optimal cleaning on carpet and off to prevent scattering of debris on hard floor. It has an extra large capacity dirt cup. A large, easy, empty dirt cup means less emptying for a more convenient clean. Motor amps 11 amps. Motor bolts only 120 volts. It comes with a multi-purpose pet tools. Reach and remove stubborn dirt and pet hair with the tools you need for a whole home clean. It comes with a quick release cleaning wand. Easily transition from carpet to above floor cleaning with an uninterrupted suction. Well, this is the Hoover Power Dry Bagless Multi-Purpose Upright Vacuum Cleaner with swivel steering for pet hair. Alright my friends, down here in the descriptions I will leave you a link so you can find this vacuum cleaner at Amazon.com. Thank you for being with us once again. Thank you very much. You have a great day. Please click the like button, leave us a comment, and send our videos to your friends. Thank you very much. You have a great day. We'll see you in the next video.